Now let's take a look at the Azon Top 100 Analyzer version 4. We've added some awesome new features to this software that's going to blow your mind. And this software tool is really handy for trying to figure out what you want to sell on Amazon. So let's say you have absolutely no idea what you want to sell. This is the perfect tool for finding out that information. And as I'm going to show you here, it's really powerful. You can dig down as deep as you want to any level, any category, and you can figure out exactly what you want to sell. And Chris Guthrie shows you how to do that, and he gives you a set of parameters to follow in order to make that decision. What this software does, it extracts the top 100 products for different data sources. So the data sources are the best sellers, the hot new releases, movers and shakers, top rated, most wished for, and also most gifted. So what you have here is two different options. You can look at the top 100 best sellers in a given category and a subcategory if you like. For example, let's go into, car seats under the baby main category. And another big feature that we integrated in here is the ability to select any category, an unlimited number of categories. Now, there's actually thousands of categories on Amazon.com and like thousands of categories on the UK site as well. It's actually quite incredible just how many categories there are. So as you can imagine, it's pretty much impossible to put all those categories in here, but I figured out a way to do it. So you can go down to any category you want, as deep as you want to go, and add as many categories to analyze as you want. Let's just do a real quick little search here. So click the green button at the top, and what it's doing, it's going out to Amazon, extracting all of this information about all these different top 100 products, and it's very fast. And what we're getting here is the rank, the title, the product listing, sale price, how much you save, the percentage savings, the commissions you will get if you're an Amazon seller, the ratings, and the reviews. Now you'll see some columns here with no data in it yet. Well, we added this new little button here. If you click the More Data button, what you can do here is extract the main category and the main rank for the overall Amazon website. So this is one of the most important pieces of information you need as an Amazon seller, because you need to know where this particular product will rank overall amongst all the products in the main category, not the subcategory. In fact, Chris Guthrie really didn't want me to put this feature in the software. He was begging me not to, because obviously he's being successful selling on Amazon. He's like, I don't want to give out this information. But I twisted his arm a little bit and we added it to this version. In addition, it's also extracting more information over here, in particular the weight of the actual product and whether or not the product is being shipped by Amazon or if it's using the fulfillment by Amazon. So in other words, is the vendor shipping it or is Amazon doing it? So that's a real important thing to know as an Amazon seller. And for the weight, that's a really good thing to know. So you know whether or not it's easy to ship or not, because there are shipping costs. So these are some variables you really need to know when you're trying to sell products on Amazon. And the Azon Top 100 Analyzer just gives you that information for you right away, just like that. And so there are a ton of different features in here. Maybe just quickly show you a few. You can go ahead and click the preview button and it instantly shows you all the products right away inside of an interactive report. And in fact, we do have customers that actually sell these reports on sites like Fiverr or to their own clients. There are Amazon sellers and affiliates out there that need this information and will pay top dollar for these reports. So that's how just another way you can make money with the software. And all of the software that we provide here at AmaSuite, they all create reports. So you can go ahead and use the reports for different reasons. And as with the keyword generator, you also have the instant search feature where you can just start typing and it will go ahead and filter as you type. So if you type the word baby, it'll start filtering it out for you. You also have built-in filters, so you can just bring up the built-in filter tool and you can filter anything you want. You just select the actual column. Let's say you just want to see products that have a certain list price that is greater than $10. And you can add another filter, as many as you want, but you want to see ones that have reviews of greater than, let's say, 200. Click apply, and in the background, it automatically filters everything out for you. Now, another awesome feature we integrated into version 4 is the ability to add multiple categories inside the manual select method. Now, as you can see here in the quick select, all you can do is select a main category and a subcategory. But as I already mentioned, there are thousands of categories on Amazon. And you can imagine as a seller, you need to dig really deep. Well, this software will actually allow you to dig as deep as you want to go. In fact, I don't even think there's any other software product out there right now in the market that lets you do this. It gives you that ability. Let me quickly show you what I mean. All you have to do is click this categories button here, and it brings up a built-in web browser. And then all you need to do is just go to the actual department you want to go to. Let's say you want to sell something in the barbecue niche. So let's just go ahead down to patio, lawn, and garden here. And we can find the barbecue stuff in here. Say like grills and outdoor cooking here. And we can go ahead and just keep clicking down as far as we want to go until we want to find a category that we want to analyze. So I've gone right down to the bottom there, and all we have to do is click this add button and it will add it to our list over here in this text box. And so we can go back and let's see, we try freestanding grills. We can also add that too. Or we can go back to a category up and look at, I don't know, let's say outdoor cooking tools and accessories. Look at cleaning and maintenance tools. Combinational grill brushes and scrapers. So you can just keep going and going and going. We can add that category as well. So we've added 3 categories, and you can add unlimited number of categories. So that's good enough. Let's go ahead and click go, and it's going to go and get the best sellers in those deep categories that are deep within Amazon that most software products won't even allow you to research. And now we can go ahead and use a get more data. And now this is where it gets really interesting, because now what we can do is we can see the main rank within the main category. The rank over here that you see is just the rank within that sub category that we found with the built-in grills. But this will tell you the main rank. So now we have a chance to look at certain products that are ranked too high. So the lower the rank, the more that actual product is selling. And when you try to get a product that's like number 1 ranked overall, it's really, really hard to compete with all the other sellers. So you want to be kind of sticking in, stick to different products that have a range in like over 2,000 to over 5,000 sort of thing. You can see all these here have really low main ranks. That means you can come in, create a similar product and make it better, and then dominate that category and make good money. In fact, that's exactly what Chris Guthrie is doing. So you can quickly see just how powerful this software is and how easy you can use it to try to pinpoint products that you can sell on Amazon, or you could still use the software as an Amazon affiliate. In fact, you can see here at the top, I'm just going to pause this search here. You can add your Amazon affiliate ID, and then you can generate a report just by simply clicking Save, Export Interactive HTML Report, and your affiliate link will be injected into each and every one of those products. And then you can sell that report online and earn commissions. So there's a lot of different ways you can utilize this software. In fact, you can actually just select a bunch, right-click, and you can copy the ASIN numbers, the Amazon Standard Identification numbers, which is these numbers right here. And then you can actually put them into different WordPress plugins. And in fact, we actually have one as a bonus on this order page. On the sales page down below, you'll find that there's an AmaSync plugin. You can actually just copy these and plug it right into the AmaSync plugin, and boom, you got those actual products with your affiliate link in them on your blog. Very powerful. Another handy little feature we just integrated into version 4 is this little calculator. You click that button, it'll take you on over to the Amazon US calculator or the UK calculator. And that little tool is handy for figuring out your costs, or basically what are other people, like what are the profits they're making on a given product. So let's just look through here and let's look at a given product here that's not too expensive. Let's take a look here at something like this one right here. Whatever but it's a charcoal of some sort, charcoal thing. Not sure what it is. Let's go ahead and right click and copy the ASIN number, and let's bring up that fulfillment calculator, and we just paste that, right click and paste and go search. And what it's doing is it's coming in here, and you can use this calculator to figure out, well, how much profit is this particular person making? So you can come back here and you look at the list price. So let's go ahead and copy that. So right click and copy selected item, and go here and right click and paste, and you hit calculate. Then you can see basically how much money the actual vendor is making for that product. And so it just gives you another way of trying to figure out your total costs. So you can also put in shipping costs and things like that in here. Then you can figure out your unit cost, and then you can subtract how much it's going to cost from your supplier and things like that. But this is a handy little tool, and we made it accessible from just a single click of a button. So you can do this for both Amazon US or the UK.